Welcome to OET Answers. As an OET aspirant, you may frequently experience a problem to clearly understand something during reading, listening, writing, and speaking subtests. This problem is vocabulary. Now, I am here to help you to solve this problem. In this series, I'll be teaching you the commonly used vocabularies in all modules of Occupational English Test. Let's jump right in. OET Vocabulary Part 1. Outstretched. If a part of the body of a person or animal is outstretched, it is stretched out as far as possible. For example, he shows his outstretched palm. Relieved. Feeling relaxed and happy because something difficult or unpleasant has been stopped, avoided, or made easier. For example, their efforts relieved her of concern about the ceremony. Palpable. If a mood or feeling is palpable, it is so strong that you seem to feel it physically yourself. For example, the attraction between them was palpable. Tangible. If something is tangible, it would be real and capable of being touched, not imaginary. For example, the policy has not yet brought any tangible benefits. Observation. Observations can be made only with the five senses. For example, on observation, she was weak. I hope this video was informative. If you really find this video is useful to you, kindly like this video and subscribe to OET Answers.